Hello and welcome to Mr. O's Adventures. Today's adventure is all about learning to fly drones. Today we will be reviewing the DJI Neo drone, this guy here. This video will just be about the drone itself. I will not be showing any flying footage. I'll explain what it is, what features it has, and who I think it's good for. The DJI Neo is a small and lightweight camera drone made by DJI. DJI is one of the most popular drone companies, and the Neo is designed to be easy to use, especially for beginners who are just starting their drone journey, like me. One thing I like about the DJI Neo is that it is how small and compact it is. That makes it easy to carry on adventures, quick to set up, and less scary for beginners. It also has covered propellers, which makes it safe when learning how to fly. See, there's the propellers, these protect them. Even though the DJI Neo is small, it has a really good camera for its size. The DJI drones are known for having smooth video, which is great if you want your adventures to look cinematic. This makes it perfect for travel memories, adventure videos, and learning how to film with a drone. One of the coolest things about the DJI Neo is that there are different ways to control it, depending on how confident you are. You can fly the drone with a smartphone or iPad and the DJI Fly app. The app gives you on-screen joysticks, camera controls, and easy access to smart features. This is great if you want something simple and or don't have a controller yet. You can also use a proper drone controller. This gives you more accurate control, smoother flying, and a more traditional drone experience. This is good if you want to practice flying properly and improve your skills. One of my favourite but weirdest features is that you don't always need a phone or controller. You can start the DJI Neo using a button on the drone. It can take off from your hand, fly automatically, and land back on your palm. This is really good for quick shots, learning confidence, and simple adventures. Quick shots are automatic flying moves that make videos look amazing, even if you're still learning. Droney. The drone flies backwards and upwards, keeping you in the middle. Circle. The drone flies in a circle around you. Rocket. The drone flies straight up, looking down. Helix. The drone spirals around you while getting higher. Boomerang. The drone flies away and then comes back. All of these shots can be done without a controller, which is perfect for beginners. Even small drones need to be flown with safety. You should always fly with an adult, follow the rules, stay away from people and animals, and be responsible. Flying drones is fun, but safety always, 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 always comes first. I think the DJI Neo is great for beginners, kids learning with parents, adventure vloggers, and people starting drone flying. For Mr. O's Adventures, it is a great way to learn drone skills for future trips and adventures. Pros. It is small and lightweight. It's easy to use. It has controller-free quick shots. It has a great camera for its size, and it is a great beginner drone. But there are still cons. Cons, not for advanced pilots, limited compared to bigger drones, and the battery life is quite short. Overall, I think the DJI Neo is a really good beginner's drone. It's fun, smart and perfect for learning how to fly. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Thank you for watching Mr. O's Adventures. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!